Hello, Summer Penny here. Welcome back to my channel. I'll be honest, it has been a very emotionally difficult week. And you know when you're just feeling low and in a funk and you need a little pick-me-up? That's what today was. And what better gift to get when coming home from the hospital midweek than this gorgeous package. So to put on some nice jewelry and to do my makeup and just add a little something. This package is from Linjer. It's spelt Linjer, and it's actually a Norwegian word which means lines or linear, and it's a reference to their minimalist designs. I love a minimal, everyday jewelry that you can just safely put on for everything, sleep, and it doesn't tarnish or ruin. And that's exactly what this is. They are all about sustainable jewelry. They use 100% recycled gold and silver. Very sturdy. The earrings were so cute. I liked them because they were a huggy, yet they had a little bit of a dangle. And I'm obsessed with pearls, and that's exactly what this next one is. When you see the chain hanging out, it looks like it would be so delicate and fragile. And it just looks very delicate. But when you feel the cord, I don't know how to explain it. It just feels very sturdy, and the pearl doesn't move. It's fixed right to the center of the necklace, which I really like because then you don't have to worry about the pearl kind of falling to the back or anything. Here's how it looks on. It has a couple length options. So dainty, so pretty, so cute. Now I'm just going to quickly do my makeup and show you the finished look with all my jewelry. I just think it's so cute. It was the pick-me-up I needed this week. I just felt so overwhelmed with everything else going on that I needed to do some self-care and just, rest and recoup. So I'm happy to be back doing makeup. It helps increase my mood. I was so happy to have this jewelry on the last few days. It's going to make an appearance in my cooking videos. I just think it's the perfect everyday jewelry. Doing some skin prep here. I'm doing a simple glam, just something quick, again, just to add a little something to myself and improve my mood a little bit. So I'm going on here with some tinted SPF from Dr. Jart, one of my absolute favorites. I'm literally not even going to wear foundation today. I'm just going to do a few dots of concealer, and I'm going to blend that out with my foundation brush and then add concealer and setting powder like I normally would. The antidote to burnout is always self-care, but true self-care isn't always just skin masks and bubble baths. True self-care often feels like the last thing you want to do, like a workout, but you know that after you do it, you'll feel so much better. So I didn't totally want to do my makeup, but I did at the same time, but I also knew I'd feel better if I just did it. You get my point. So if you're having a rough week, if things are feeling heavy, I encourage you to do some self-care this week, whether that's moving your body or taking some extra time to just rest, stretch, have a bath, start a new book, go for a walk, paint or color in a book, anything that gets you relaxing and into your parasympathetic. Getting creative or crafts are great for this because it distracts you and gets you using a different part of your brain and can help complete the stress cycle. Linjer actually gave me a discount code, so I'm going to put that on the screen and in the description if you would like to shop. They have a discount code for a special offer for you. Finishing the glam now with my powders, so powder bronzer, powder blush. I actually use the bronzer all over my eyelid as well, and then a little bit of shimmer after that. I'm really into like peachy, pinky corals right now. I just think it looks so cute, like a cool tone pink, although this is more on the rosy side, and has a really beautiful highlight in it. Truly, your everyday eye makeup does not have to be that complex. You can just use your bronzer and then a shimmer over the lid, some mascara, and there you have it. A simple, easy, everyday look. I even used the dark brown of my eyeshadow palette and did a little eyeshadow wing. And of course, a quick everyday lip combo. My favorite right now is this Pat McGrath Supernatural lip pencil and this SPF 30 pink shimmery lip gloss from my friend Jordy in the shade Manifest. It's this gorgeous shimmery pink. I'm absolutely obsessed. Be sure to check her out because she is local Canadian. Also check out Summer Glow Beauty and Linjer. I have some discount codes and special offers for you in the description. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye. The perfect little pick-me-up.